I'm Mike Bickamer, and welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE. Before you begin troubleshooting your electrical problem, make sure you are equipped with the proper tools. Otherwise, you'll be doing this. Let's talk about the essential tools you'll need. The most important tool is your presence finder. That's this little guy right here. This will alert you if your circuit is hot or not. When I say hot, that is just an electrician's term for on. The next thing you might need is a plug-in tester. We'll go over what the different lights mean in a follow-up video. You will need two types of screwdrivers, a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. It might also help save time if you have an impact driver or drill so that you can unscrew the screws on a device quicker. If you find the problem getting a little hairy, you may have to bring out the big gun,
the multimeter.
Again, I will go over the functions of this in another video. And last of all, you will need your wire strippers, a pair of dikes, and your linesman tool. You may not need wire strippers if you want to use your dikes or linesmen to strip wires. Just make sure you don't score the wire too deep if you use these, because you may break the wire when installing the wire nut. Then you have a whole new video to watch about troubleshooting. Once you're armed with these tools, you are ready to rock and roll!